Hi, I'm Paul from Soft. I'm here to make you a short presentation about EMUFlight Configuration Manager. It's an Android app to manage EMUFlight flying controllers. So I have my flight controller already connected. I'm going to tap to retrieve the settings from there. Okay, there you are. You can tap any of the settings that you want to change. Okay, you can recall EMUFlight defaults. You can recall the flight controller last saved value, and if you make any change, you have here the description of the setting that you're changing, and when you press OK, the setting that you've changed, the value becomes highlighted, so you know what setting you have changed. You have profiles as usual, rate profiles, nothing new on that. You have the settings that EMUFlight has, okay, specific ones for EMUFlight, and then you have visual rates editor. You can change your rates and see how they will affect the behavior. Okay, you have also the visual throttle editor, does the same. You can change and see how it will behave. Okay, now the nice thing that you can do here now, it was the last feature added, is the presets assistant. Here you can recall EMUFlight defaults that are already available on the desktop configurator, but there's something new on this. You can select one preset that you want, for instance this one, and the new thing is that you can apply it to a specific profile. You cannot do that on the desktop version. Okay, so I'm going to choose profile 0. You can also apply that preset, the part that relates with rate profiles, on a specific rate profile. Okay, I'm going to leave it also on the default one, and you can also choose to ignore the preset gyro and EMU filters. Okay, if you have your quad set up correctly and you don't want to mess up with your filters, you can ignore and the preset will not change anything that you already done. Okay, I'm going to replace it. I'm going to apply. So there you are. You have the settings that were changed by the preset. Okay. Also, on the preset assistant, you have one new thing also. It's the flying style presets, or also called as rate dynamics. So it basically is the style that you're going to fly. You have racing, freestyle, cinematic, super cinematic, and the default one. Okay. The cool thing is that you can apply any of those on a specific rate profile. So you can apply it on 0 for racing. Okay. You can go there and also apply a new one, freestyle, on another rate profile. Okay. And so on. So if you go into here, you can see that this part, rate dynamics, has been changed. On rate 2 also has been changed. On rate 3 it has the defaults of EMUFlight. Okay. Basically the part that relates with the settings, it's all explained. The app has some very cool features related with quad management. So you can have different quads and with them different configurations of the same quad, so you can manage fleets. You also have CLI access, so you can type directly to the flight controller, and you can also have the rescue, so you can do a CLI dump backup. Okay, so you can restore it later if you want. You have the restore over there, and the files that have the backups have a timestamp and the name of the quad, so you can see what your backup is. Okay, you can change it, you can delete it, you can do a lot of things. So I'm not going into explanations about the fleet management and the configurations management. I can do another video later on and explain that feature also. So basically, that's all. Please check the other apps that Race Drone Soft has. They also have a very nice app for checking black box logs, and that works with Betafly, EMUFly, and Kiss. So that's all for now. Bye bye. Thanks.